Most of us start our day in instant panic mode. The alarm goes off, we immediately grab our phones, and within seconds, high stress sets in before we've even gotten out of bed. The secret to a calm day isn't waking up at 4 a.m. or having a complicated 3-hour routine. It's doing, high impact habits that work with your body's biology. Today, I'm walking through my realistic 45-minute routine designed for low stress, balanced hormones, and sharp focus backed by science. Hydration first. Before touching caffeine, drink 300 ml of warm water with a pinch of sea salt or lemon. Research shows that we lose significant fluids and vital electrolytes overnight through respiration and sweat. Rehydrating first thing, restores cellular function and supports digestion before your stomach encounters coffee. The morning light exposure. Step outside or open your blinds immediately. Studies in neuroscience, notably from Stanford Medicine, highlight that early photons in the morning hitting your retinal ganglion cells in your eyes stimulate the suprachiasmatic nucleus, and this is in your eye. This triggers a healthy natural cortisol peak, basically setting a timer for your evening melatonin production, anchoring your circadian rhythm for better energy today and sleep tonight deeper. Next, move through a gentle low intensity flow, like light stretching or mobility work. While intense cardio has its place, heavy morning exertion right after waking can cause an excessive spike in cortisol. Exercise physiology research demonstrates that gentle low glycemic movement improve insulin sensitivity and lymphatic circulation without overwhelming your adrenal system, keeping you calm and clear-headed. Let's look at a breakfast and mindful brew. Low glucose breakfast plus coffee. Now it's time to fuel up with a protein and fiber-rich savory breakfast, alongside a quiet cup of coffee or tea. Clinical nutrition studies continuously demonstrate that sweet, high-carb breakfasts cause rapid blood sugar spikes and subsequent energy crashes by mid-morning. A protein-dense savory meal stabilizes glucose levels, promoting sustained and steady dopamine and sustained mental focus, plus delaying coffee until after a meal protects your stomach and its lining. Intentionally check in with yourself. Before opening emails, social media, pause for 2 minutes. Jot down your top priority or set a simple intention for the day. Psychological research shows that reactive scrolling immediately triggers external stress, forcing the brain into a defensive state. Taking just 120 seconds to set your own agenda, and it helps reset you. Give this 45-minute flow a go tomorrow and feel the difference in your energy. If you love this routine, hit like and subscribe, for more grounded evidence-backed wellness strategies to help you.